It's K-Drama Fanatics here and welcome back to my channel. Actress Gong Yoo-jin and actor Jung Jung-won are in talks to lead in a drama adaptation entitled A Bonafide Killer. On June 18, Sports Chosun reported that Gong Yoo-jin and Jung Jung-won are set to star together in A Bonafide Killer, a drama adaptation of the hit Kakao webtoon of the same name. In response to the report, a representative from Gong Yoo-jin's agency, Management Soo-op, shared that the actress has received an offer to star in the said drama and is positively considering it. Similarly, a source from Jung Jung-won's agency, Alien Company, stated that the actor is positively reviewing the offer. A Bonafide Killer is a story about a killer for hire who gets married to a reporter, and after being out on a maternity leave, she returns to her former secret organization. Gong Yoo-jin has been offered the role of Yu Bona, a legendary assassin known as Kingfishers, who returns to her secret organization after being out on a maternity leave for 3 years as a stay-at-home housewife. While Jung Jung-won is in talks to play Kwon Tae-sung, Bona's husband and a determined news reporter tasked with uncovering the truth behind Kingfisher's sudden return. If both actors confirm their participation, the project is expected to generate significant attention as a compelling blend of action, suspense, and character-driven storytelling. For the meantime, you can watch them in their latest drama, Gong Yoo-jin in When the Stars Gossip and When the Camellia Blooms, while Jung Jung-won in Resident Playbook and Hush. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.